Hello guys, how are you? I'm Vic and I'm here today to show you the new updates in this software. It's called Quora Scraper and Poster. And now we have 18th version of this software. The previously released version was 16. And in this version we have updated browser engines, all of the updates related to the latest Firefox and the portable versions, and also the main updates that we have done were were demanded by our beloved customer, as we have already added this feature in the previous update. It was only posting the article to all of the spaces that you have followed, but now upon the customer demand I have added the option to add the specific names of the spaces. For example, you want to post in this, then you have to paste the name of exact name of this space, because in the previous update it was actually posting article in all of the spaces, so that can be spamming or something. You can call that Quora can ban you or something like that, but I haven't faced any kind of ban because I have done the automation with that feature. But now we can specify the names on which we have to uh, post the article. Okay, and also make sure your content is well spun so that every time you bot tries to paste your content in the space, it will be very unique. Okay, and let me just tell you one more thing, that we have added this feature. This is just to create your spaces in bulk. Like for example, you have to select this. Like you are in your SEO niche or any kind of niche, so you have to create the space with this name and this name. Let's try it with these three spaces. And also you know that you have to add the login in this tab. I can show you the login here. Anyway, so let's run this feature. For example, what the updates are saying: to use this module, users need to provide the unique name in the text area. Okay, also we have to make sure that our name is unique. So let's try and test with something like 101 training, because if the name is not unique, Quora will give error obviously, and then the software will try to add some random text, like it's saying here. If any space name will not available, then software will add some extra text to provided name and create that space. Well, so this is the one feature. For now we are going to test this feature. It's called create spaces in bulk. So let's try. Let's see the logs. It will load the browser. For this update, for the first time, as it will download the fresh portable browser engines and the browsers on your side, so it will take some time. On my system it was already downloaded, so it doesn't take time, but you have to be patient if you are, it is doing downloading for the first time. Okay, it's logged in now. Quora logged in. Now it will try to create the space that we have provided here. SCO11. Okay, it's available. Okay, the space is created. Okay, all done. So as you know, we have just given one space, so it created one space. This is just the beta version of this feature. We can extend the options here, like if you want to add some kind of description into the space name. As you see that there was an option to add the description, so we can add it here like after the comma, but I'm just here to get the suggestions from you. So tell me if you want to add that feature, and if you have any other suggestions to extend this feature, then we can see. Okay, this feature is done now. This is the second feature that I was talking about in the very first place. Uh, so in this feature, we have updated the feature that we have already here. This one, okay. Updated articles posting, added text area in UI to take spaces names. For example, just I'm giving the random example. Okay, and you have to make sure that this spaces exist. I was doing it, just did some research and got it from the space I have followed already. Sorry. Okay, so you have to make sure that you are following the space. Obviously, you can't post the article in the space that you haven't followed. Okay, so this is the name, for example. Let's post it here, and I have made the file for the sample article. That is like anything you can say. I'm just saying some simple things, and you can make the spun article, maybe to grow your profile. There can be many purposes. Anyway, so this is the file that I have selected for the content. Reminder, you can add the spun file. Okay, so let's read what it says. So now software will add articles in only provided spaces instead of all spaces. Remember, in the previous feature we have the option to uh, paste an article into the all of the spaces, but now you can only post in the specific names of spaces. Okay, like it was doing before, but I can add that option as well. Need suggestion? Watch previous video and let me know what you need. Know you need that feature back as well. So if you like the feature to post article in all of the spaces as well, then I can add that feature as well. For example, I can add the option here whether you want to post the article on all of the spaces you followed or only the specific ones. So I can update the software and add the drop down here so that you can have the feature to control it for your needs. Okay, so if user provided four spaces, software will go to those four spaces and one by one and post the article. Simple, very simple updates. So let's try this. Guys, I am really open to the suggestions. You can tell me anything that you want to update in the software. I can do it because I am having few customers that are using this software for their Quora marketing. I mean, to grow their profile. Obviously, to create the links, I will suggest you to do that manually, but I will make a video to you can use this software to make backlinks in Quora, but I would recommend you to make backlinks in Quora on your manual routine. I mean, you can log in yourself manually and just create some backlinks because software cannot do that type of humanly. I mean, that's very critical to say, complex to say. Hold on. Okay, this feature is done. What I was trying to say that you have to create the backlinks in Quora yourself. Like, for example, I'm here and without external links. Okay, anyway, any space, all of the spaces have their different rules. So uh, let's try. I am I'm also trying to show you how you can make the backlinks. I am here to tell you guys that I have good experience in automation tools development, so you can check many SEO automation tools here and let me know if you need any custom solution for your needs. Okay, so let's add the link here. I'm going to add my site. Okay, so let's see. Okay, it's posted. The reason the software is not trying to add the link because it involves some kind of advanced clicking and then this and then type here and then add. So that's why I tried to say, told you that you have to do the linking manually. Anyway, in this space, the software wasn't able to post the content because they have some different rules. They needed some kind of links, but all of the spaces doesn't have these same rules. Like if you see, there are the rules, they are different, right? If I go to my spaces that I followed, let's open some other space like this one, and if I try to post here, they doesn't have the rules. Okay, let's try another one. For example, this. Okay, they have the rules. See, they have different rules. So it depends on all of the spaces, what kind of rules they have. Okay, so this is it for now. And this software is growing. It have, let me just conclude everything that we have in this software. It has the question scraper. You can add your keywords. It will bring all of the questions related to that particular keywords list. Okay, and also it has the feature to question poster. Like if you want to post the questions, you can add hundreds of questions and it will try to post the questions here in your profile. Okay, and the answer poster, if you have the answer to post on some particular questions. For example, you want to grow your profile and you want to see that you want Quora to see your profile that you are continuously engaging the website. So you can add multiple questions here, multiple answers, fun answers here, I mean generic answers if you want to post the generic answers, and if you want to post the particular answers to the particular questions, then it's up to you. And these two features are new and updated, so I have explained them already. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and now I will also uh, release this update to you, and I will also let you know about in the group and in the email. So thank you for watching.